It is early morning before the comeback of winter, and we have such an amazing mood on Lake Brienz. You won't get moods like this in summer, because in summer the lake is always very, how you say, upset. Yeah, and in winter Lake Brienz is sometimes very, very calm, and then we have reflections like this. I'm so loving it. Surreal, huh? Wow. What a wonderful scenery, huh? It looks like heaven. Heaven, I'm in heaven. Yeah, and Rasta is singing the second part. Huh? Are you singing, Rasta? Huh? Bist du am singen? No, you want to play. Natürlich. Huh? When we are in heaven, we need to play. Ja, da hast du schon recht. Okay, nimmst. Ja, nimmst. Take it, Mom. It's your turn now. Sully. Just, hey, wait. I just wanted to say this is Rasta's favorite island. Yeah, it's very close to Brienz. And also in summer it's overcrowded. But in winter times, yeah, it is Rasta's and my place. Well, so is it. Your kingdom. I didn't know where to go today, but now I have my plans in my head. We just drive around Lake Brienz and we hope for some other moods. Huh? We go to Bönningen and then we go maybe to Iseltwald to check if we see more of this. Huh? Machen wir. We are driving to Bönningen right now. And I don't know Bönningen well, but I know one thing. They have a bakery. What's the name for bakery? I forgot. Where they have kipfilet and bread, you know, the shop with bread and kipfilet. They have a bakery here in Bönningen, and we just passed by. Let me show it to you. The bakery on the right now, they have the best Mandelbrezel I've ever eaten. I don't know, maybe one brezel has 2000 calories. But they are so good. Yeah, but you only should eat this once in a year maybe. Ja, die haben wirklich die beste Mandelbrezel. Oh. Yeah, when you are in Bönningen, you should try this Mandelbrezel. Yeah, I can really recommend it. So this is now the harbor of Bönningen. No one is here. All the trees are bare. Or bar. Yeah, in summer this place is filled with people, totally crowded, because everyone wants to sit on the benches and or laying in the grass where all the dogs are peeing. But they don't care. Yeah. Yeah, this is Bönigen. It is hard to find a parking place here, but when you drive a little bit further, there are some parking spaces. I love to drive on this road. They have a cow on the balcony on the right. Okay. Well, not a real cow. They had once an exhibition in, I think it was in Zurich. I don't know it anymore. They had an exhibition with cows. Also not real cows. Cows in every kind of colors, every kind of style. And then they sold the cows. And sometimes you see one of these cows on some places in front of a garden or on a balcony, like here. Yeah. It was a very famous exhibition, but I forgot the name. Naja, kann sich mal geben. No reflections in the lake. We have too much wind. But as we saw it before, it could change in every single minute. This is one of Rasta's favorite places in summer. I think we're doing a break now, huh? A little. Rasta time! Rasta, you know where we are? Huh? You know it? The place. Okay, let's check it out. Rasta is excited. Yeah, but Rasta, I don't think that we can go in to swim. So, you want to try it out? Langsam. Komm, runterführer. Na, come back. Yeah, and slowly, please. Slowly. Yeah, the other slowly. Yeah, now? Digging for the stones? Yeah, we are now here at one of Rasta's favorite places in summer. Look at the green of the lake. It's still nice. And far away you can see, I zoom a little bit, the Niesen, yeah, famous mountain. And then when you drove through Bönigen and think, you will arrive at Iseltwald. Iseltwald became very famous because of the Netflix series Crash Landing on You. They recorded a few scenes in Iseltwald at the pier, and that went viral. Yeah. And so in summer, when many tourists are traveling from all over the world, they go to the pier, yeah, and do their selfies there, of course. Yeah, because then they can say, hey, I was here at the same place like the dude who was playing piano at the pier. Yeah, you can search it in Google, I think. Piano scene, crash landing on New Iseltwald. And yeah, then you will find it. Huh? Yeah, he maybe did a selfie too there. Ah, my donkeys are outside. The best cheese here from Happy Cows. I'm quite sure you want to go to the pier, right? Okay. I will show you. In summer, you are never alone at this pier. There's too many people doing their stuff. Yeah, it's just here. You can park here and then walk 30 seconds and then you're there. I had to laugh because you don't need to go in summer here to find people at this place. They are also here in winter. You see? This is the pier from the scenery of Crash Landing on You. And you almost never will be alone here. Yeah, happy tourists. When you are here in Iseltwald in the winter, you should watch out for the Santa. Sexy Santa. Well, I don't know if we can call this sexy. But yeah, this is Santa Claus or the Clausine of Iseltwald. And there are the happy tourists. We are now at the other side of Iseltwald, where we can see the Seeburg. And you maybe heard about the hot tub. So this is the place where the people go into the hot tub. You see it right there, the orange thing. Yeah, this is the swimming pool with hot water. Then you can go out on the lake and having fun. That's quite cool. Yeah, the best thing is to combine it with this hotel, Charles du Lac. So after having fun in the hot tub, you can go back to your hotel room, enjoying the view. Yeah. Not only nice in summer, also a visit worth in winter, huh? Rasta, I think it's time to go without shoes. Huh? Ja, I think we can try it. Ja, ja, kannst rauskommen. Huh? Okay, was machen wir zuerst? Wir sitzen. Yeah, we sit first. Sitzen. Bravo. And alle. Yeah, time for Rasta now. Yeah, is it okay with your paws? Do not dig in the ice, okay? Oopsla. Apropos ice. It's okay, baby. Yeah. Peeing first. Always. Very, very important. So this is one of Rasta's favorite places to play at Lake Brienz. Brienz is over there. Zack. Yes. And when Rasta is in a good mood, he likes to swim also. But I think today it is too cold. Huh? Is goed. Happy boy. Yeah, happy boy. Huh? Allez. Yeah, you find maybe a stick. Stakje gaan zoeken. Huh? Yeah. And this thing you see, this is from the Giesberg. They get out stones from the river over there. Yeah. So now we say goodbye to the Swissies. Say goodbye. Do. Oh. Rasta, goodbye to the Swissies. Ja, ist aber nicht so schlecht. Huh? Trick 77. Huh? The stick on the gimbal and then it's working. So that was it, Rasta? Do. Yeah, this direction. Da, camera, look. Rasta. Rasta, camera is here. Rasta, camera is here, look. Look da. Rasta, warte mal, können wir das schon etwas machen? Hey, say hello to the Swissies. Look, it's da. Rasta. Hey, hey, one for me. Du, hallo. Rasta, Rasta. So that was it from Tricks and Gags from our Lake Brienz tour. Rasta wants to go to the. Hey, hallo, hallo. Knock, knock. Hey, Rasta, the camera is here. Look da. Hey, komm zu mir. Hey, komm zu mir. No, dus maar zit. Zit. Hey. Was je geen witte vuur? Auw. Hey, dus maar zitten. Be a good boy. Doe dus maar zitten. Hey, dus maar zitten. Hey. Doe jetzt warte ich mal schnell. Hey, doe maar zitten. Sit. The other sit. Sit. So, jetzt was da? We say goodbye to the Swissies. Look there. Look da. There. Yeah. Camera. This is something new. Gaan we nog in eigen? Look da, camera. Hey, look da. Camera. Hey, doe maar zitten. Sit. Okay, we try again. Ow! I don't want the tinnitus. Du. Rasta. Look, jetzt muss ich schnell einblenden. So. Okay, Rasta. Look da. There is a stick. Warte mal schnell. Schau jetzt, ich muss. Das ist warte. Jetzt machen wir Trick 77. I do a stick now on the. Hey, sit. Hey. Du musst sitzen. Hey, my microphone. Sitz. Warte. Kannst du Warte. Mit der Stick. Warte. So now we say goodbye to the Swissies. Sag ich goodbye? Du. Rasta, goodbye to the Swissies. Ja, ist aber nicht so schlecht. Hä? Trick 77.